What's up everybody? My name is Reggie Cox and I'm today accompanied by the beautiful and talented Rozy.
Hi.
We're going to do a little bit of polishing today. We're going to not so much go inside of the paint correction and everything, just a little bit of an assessment training how we can approach a polishing sequence in the most effective and fast way to see the results, what's going on top of the car. So without further ado, let's check out the situations before and then I'll come back to you and explain exactly what we're going to do.
So we can see here, there's a lot of sanding marks and holograms all around the door. We're gonna try to polish that in one step and we're gonna see further if it's gonna take 2 steps or more. So I can move the lights a little bit just so you can see it's pretty messed up.
So we're sitting next to the car. We got a beautiful explanation of the defect we are going to treat. We got our equipment right here. I saw you chose that pad.
Yes.
For that defect.
Exactly.
Could you please tell the audience why?
Sure. Actually, I choose the microfiber pad because it generates a lot more friction. It's a good pad just to cut the paint real deep. And this is what we're gonna need to take that away. And then we're gonna use this one probably. Are we?
I think so, yeah.
Yeah?
We're gonna see what happens if we need a second step.
So we're gonna start with Audace from Labocosmetica. Let's do it. So as you can see, I removed the whole sanding part that was all messed up in one step only. And let's make it perfect with the 2-step. So, second step, Labocosmetica from Labocosmetica. This is a medium compound for sensitive paint. Second step is done. We can clearly see the before and after. It was pretty easy application. I recommend it 100%. Now let's move to the quarter panel. With the holograms, I'm gonna polish them and show you how easy it is to remove them.
I just want to conclude this video with a couple of words. Based on what we have seen today, we have let Rozy do her thing with the polishes that she had at hand, with the machine that she had at hand, showing you that you can easily correct any kinds of paint without telling anything about the technology that's inside of the products. I could have explained her everything about what the polish is about, how it works, cold cut technology, but sometimes you have to keep it simplified. Something will work or something will not work. So for your experience, Roz, how did you feel this was going?
It was pretty easy. Anybody can do it. If it just takes a lot of patience. You have to use the right pad and the right compound, and you're gonna be all right.
It's an experience game, ladies and gentlemen. You can watch the 10,000s of videos, but this skill, the correcting of the paint, is the absolute pinnacle of skills that a detailer should master before he starts doing something like this. Don't overthink. We are detailers. We know nothing about clear coat. The only people that really know something about clear coat is the body shop guy. So stop worrying about videos, do it. Stop watching videos, but do it. And the perfect example was today that we have a very talented young lady that mastered the skills of polishing by herself and just added something to her arsenal that make her even a better detailer. I want to thank you very much. It was a pleasure seeing you work.
Thank you for your time and for explaining me a lot of things that I didn't know actually.
That's most welcome. That's my job. So ladies and gentlemen, without further ado, I want to thank you very much for watching and I hope to see you next time.
Ciao.
Ciao.